Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Umphathi weDurban City bafethu ucommente ngendaba kaBatman noVelebayi ukulwa kwabo neCape Town Spurs ukuthi bagcine bathole ama-clearance and then baba ama-free agent. Ublame abaphathi bebhola, especially this was directed to i-owner lani le-Cape Town Spurs ukuthi ama-team akumelanga own ama-player like afile entitled ukuthi ama-player azowa-owner forever impilo yama-player yonke ukuthi kumele bakwazi ukwakha ubudlelwane bafethu namanye ama-team ukuthi bawadedele ama-player. I think la uchaza ukuthi makune-offer e-right hambisa umdlali bafethu, ungamgcini, ungabi possessive ngomdlali ukuthi akayindawo ngoba ugcine sowumosha impilo yakhe. I'm paraphrasing amagama welo weDurban City, but-ke he went on to explain ukuthi yena une-partnership noma upartner nama-players, uthi yena uthatha ama-players laphana ku-Cape Town City uthi babhilda lise partnership izinto ezinjalo. Uyabona ukuthi lama-players lawa amanye ane-potential enkulu, that is why bakwazi ukubhilda leyo partnership yakhona ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisana. Amagama strong bafethu lento le, because sikhumbule ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yaya kuVelebayi yathi yamfuna uVelebayi ngo-4 million after i-Cape Town Spurs ya-relegate, but bayi-rejecta yona le 4 million le. Ubonakala ukuthi they were not willing even ukuzwela ama-player ukuthi iy'mpilo zabo zizoshintsha uma bawudlalela i-team enkulu efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but ama-owner we-Cape Town Spurs bababheke ama-pocket wabo kuphela rather than ukuthi ba-create ama-opportunities angcono for abafana. Manje basagxile kule ndaba le kaVelebayi noBatman abafuni ukumuva kuyo because of bacabanga ukuthi bebazokwenza imali, but bayithole i-chance yemali azange bayenza overall laphana. I think amagama strong lawa awashilo njengoba bengishilo bafethu ukuthi dedelani ama-player bafethu ahamba, especially ama-player if azoya emathimini angcono iy'mpilo ziya-improve. Awulu-own i-player unomphela. U-Cape Town Spurs kusho ukuthi uchaza ukuthi benze kanjalo ukuthi ngathi umuntu uboshiwe, ngathi uVelebayi bekaboshiwe, manje ufuna ukubathatha beye nabo ku-third division ngendaba yokuthi ufuna imali nje for uVelebayi noBatman, liyabheda le khehla. But I also wanna mention into enkulu bafethu ekhulunywe ubaba uMlungisi Ngubane oke wadlala ibhola naye. Ekhuluma ngendaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs noNdamane bafethu lodlalela i-TS Galaxy, uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inamaphutha ukuthi badedele ama-player super talented. Bheka nje oNdamane bafethu ushayina kanjani, sekakuBafana Bafana manje ufunwa iMamelodi Sundowns, TS Galaxy imthole mahhala, and lento le yenze kanjalo ukuthi ama-player odidisa i-team yakwa-Kaizer Chiefs athathwe amanye ama-team. And then in a year or so seba one of the biggest stars in the country, sebadlala ku-national team. Nangomunye uPhuso Dithejane, if ngisisho kahle isibongo sakhe, naye iplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs, ukhulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but uKaizer Chiefs wahamba ngendlela ezingekho right from i-DTC team. Manje uHugo Broos uyamazi nokumazi, mekuselekthwa amagama wama-player nalo igama lakhe liba khona umfowethu laphana kuma-prelim squad, even though akakafiki ku-squad, i-final squad, but guess what, he's knocking on the door. Ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs wonke lawa bafethu. Nasi i-statement-ke lesi sakababa uNgubane, uthi uma ubheka lo mfana we-TS Galaxy uNdamane ufikile laphana ku-national team and immediately wafitha, uyasho ukuthi nje ufithe from the start, meqala nje ukudlala ufithile. Uthi uma ubheka i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke yenza iphutha elikhulu ukuthi imdedele umfana ukuthi ahambe. Uthi uma babheka mhlawumbe nabo ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayazisola ngokuthi bamhambisile umfana. Uthi-ke labantu laba ba-responsible for uku-scout ama-players ku-Kaizer Chiefs or beba-responsible kumele bababuyise laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bakwazi uku-prioritize uthi it seems like baya-prioritize ama-players akhuluma i-English kangcono, yibo abawagcinayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs than an actual talent. Kusho ukuthi uma ungakwazi ukukhuluma isiNgisi kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs abakunaki. Amagama lawo kababa uNgubane bafethu, akusiyo amagama wami. So I mean it shows, uyasho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yenza ama-mistake ukuthi imhambise umfana overall laphana. Uthi-ke uthi khumbula ukuthi uMbekezeli Mbokazi naye kwakune-chance ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imsayine, but ya-decline i-offer, ya-decline i-Kaizer Chiefs ukumsayina uMbekezeli Mbokazi. UMbokazi ngabe iplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu namhlanje, but i-Kaizer Chiefs bathi no, kushuthi baya-prioritize like lesi abantu abakwaziyo uku-communicate-a but ababheki ithalente overall. Amagama wakhe ubaba la. But I mean yeah, I think ku-development, inkinga ku-development or naku-DTC team bafethu kunzima kakhulu ukuthi upredict. Sometimes kunzima just for a-player ukuthi upredict ukuthi i-player lizoba i-success, because maningi ama-player super talented but awabi i-success. Reason being would be maybe the magnitude of the team, abafana bafila ngathi bayacindezeleka uma befika ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or they can't handle the pressure. Like into they feel like bayacindezeleka because of babona ngathi uma bafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs they are unstoppable. Bonke abantu bayabathanda, bayaba-recognize everywhere they go, babona kahle ukuthi sebonkulunkulu basemhlabeni. Guess what? They stop working hard. Yiyo inkinga. But yeah, I think there's an element of iqiniso kule nkulumo ekhulunywa ubaba la ukuthi, I mean, i-Kaizer Chiefs idedela ama-players la kaGoody ngempela. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bazo-oppose-a le nkulumo le bathi maningi ama-player a-Kaizer Chiefs kwi-D_D_C team equally talented, but-ke hhayi ukuthi wonke umuntu uzothola i-chance. But if unama-player a-good la ethimini yakho awukwazi ukubona ukuthi ama-player a-good, kusho ukuthi uwe i-problem. Kusho ukuthi i-department ebheke ama-player yiyo eyi-problem e-serious bafowethu. Cause when you have gold, you have gold. Mawazi ukuthi unoMessi ethimini yakho, you know ukuthi unoMessi. Whether uMessi una-11, una-15, unangaki, uyazi ukuthi unoMessi. And then wena kumele u-create i-system ne-environment e-right or e-good enough ukuthi akwazi ukusucceed-a ubani? U-Lionel Messi. So I mean, they really have to fix the whole department leyo ukuthi bathole ama-player well-equipped ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Bayakwazi ukuwathola ku-development, bayakwazi ukuwathola, but the transition to senior team, that's a big problem for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Into kumele bayilungise. I said this few days back ukuthi kumele babhilivele kulaba bafana abancane ohlongwane ukuthi bathole experience ne-confidence ukuthi okay, bane-5-year plan. When you look at the Kaizer Chiefs, do you think bane-5-year plan? I don't think they have any plan. They take one game at the time. They don't even look that far beyond the current season, beyond next week. But they're enjoying ama-fruit wokuthi baku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi izinto ey'ningi maku-Kaizer Chiefs u-offer-wa zona mahhala. But in terms of i-work rate, amanye amajita hhayi ngiyakhala bafethu. Nge-work rate amanye amajita kumele azame ngempela uku-improve-a kakhulu. They can take their careers to the next level. Hhayi ukuthi ngoba ku-Kaizer Chiefs uya-relax, ufuna ukuba hungry uma kwenye i-team, but when you get to Kaizer Chiefs sowupholile, no, ayikho kanjalo. They have to be mentally and physically fit abafana. So ivala ngoVelebayi sothi congratulations to Velebayi noBatman ukuthi baba ama-free agents. At the same time, congratulations ukuthi bakwazile ukuba-register laphana for i-Confederation i-CAF Confed, yes. La bazobe balwela khona last 16 ama-group stages. Bafuna ukungena kuma-group stages la bazodlala khona ama-game ayi-6 if bayaphumelela. Kumele bakwazi ngempela ukubamba baqine, babe serious bafowethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-result. Well, okunye ngizothi ngithanda nje ukuthi gcinani ama-player wenu well-equipped, talented enough. You have to make sure that you keep the brightest stars, your brightest stars. Into abayenzile manje uXolani Xhosa useBotswana laphana ku-loan, bamnika i-senior contract and then bamlona-ke for i-team yaseBotswana. Sikhumbule ukuthi noHlongwane befunwa i-team yaseBotswana, but bathe no akayindawo ngoba bazomsebenzisa. Nabanye bake babuza ngabo, but-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs yathi no, abayindawo okwamanje. Sibambe la, danko bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.